Do you want to know how you can log into your BCPNP account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your BCPNP account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and open Google. In the Google search bar, search for BCPNP login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. This is the official page of British Columbia PNP online portal. After you click on it, you can see a login portal pop up. Go ahead and write down your BCPNP user ID and your password associated with your account. Then click sign in. This way you can access or log into your BCPNP account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and register yourself. And if you have forgotten your user ID, this is the link for you. In case you have forgotten your password as well, this will help you recover your password. This was a video on how you can log into your BCPNP account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.